Okay, so that's my drink. And this is my other food. Let's see if those cool today. And it's snowing too. Yeah, blowing snow. Okay, snow. What I have to do is cross the street. There they are. Was it good? Oh, whoa, whoa, easy, man. Easy, easy. Don't attack me. No salt on the fries. Gee, you guys must be hungry today. Do you have a name? What's your name? Yeah, there you go.
Stop doing.
What's wrong with that?
Good.
Huh?
It's not allowed.
What's not allowed? I'm gonna... Hey, yo, go over here. First. Get over here. Stay off the traffic. It's not allowed. What's not allowed? It costs me money to do this. Never mind that. These guys are hungry. Okay, there you go. Gotta go. Yeah, driving a car like that is not allowed. That Tesla is not allowed. It's not a real car. But these birds are real. Bye. The guy told me I can't feed these birds. Of course I can. It's a free country. This is not Russia.